guys, what is up? It's Bricks here, and today we are doing a sort of a tutorial video. So yeah, this is on Scratch. It is a programming like thing that you can download really easily. All you have to do is download the setup, set it up, and then bam, doesn't require any email or an account or anything like that. Or you could do the online version, but it doesn't have as much stuff as this. This is free also. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click New Sprite, Paint New Sprite, and now let's say I wanted to create an eyeball, for example. I'd go like this. I'd make the eyeball. So now I take the fill the paint thing, and I fill it up with paint, with black paint there for the people. And then I take the blue and I fill it up there. Then I take white. This checkered thing in the background means it's transparent. So then I'm going to fill it up with white. And maybe I wanted to add some veins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the brush tool. I'm going to put it down all the way. And then I'm going to add a little bit of veins there. Ooh, gruesome. So yeah, veins. That actually looks a lot like an eyeball. That's cool. And so now what you're going to do once you're done making your sprite, which is another word for like character, or what you're going to make move around in the game. Your character like Mario or Zelda or even Steve in Minecraft. So now what you're going to do, you're going to click OK. Then it's going to have this sprite here. So what you're going to do with this sprite, you can drag them around on the screen, but I'm just going to leave them right here for now. And so what you're going to do, you're going to click on the sprite for selecting him, and then you're going to go over here. You're going to say Control. You're going to drag 4 of these when space key is pressed out, okay? So, I mean 4 of them. Did I say 3? I think I said 3. Now we're going to go up, down, right, and, whoops, left. And now I have that. So I'm going to take move 10 steps, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it and clip it on to the bottom of each one of these, okay? Then I'm going to take this point and direction one, move it to all of these too. Also, this is very, very similar on Mac. I did it on Mac for the first time. I learned how to do that on Mac actually, so and now went up arrow. So you're gonna click the little arrow here, and it's gonna have this little list here. So you're gonna click up, and then that's gonna make. Now when I press the up button, it makes my guy go up, my eyeball go up. And now when I press the down arrow, I'll do down here. And now when I press the down arrow, it goes down. When I press the right arrow, it will go, and then I set it to right, which is already 90, so you don't have to change that one. Now it will go right, and then I can click this, and then I will go left right here. It'll say left, and then so now I can make it go up, down, to the side, diagonal, everything I kind of want. I can do diagonal by clicking two things at the time, but it kind of requires some skill because it's not programmed to do that still. But so yeah, now it's pretty simple. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take sorry about that little pause here. You're gonna take for example, let's say you're gonna say play sound or control, and then when flag is clicked, so the flag just makes the game go on, all of the stuff that you set it to. So you're gonna say when flag is clicked, and now you're gonna go to sound, and then play sound, and then record. And I'm gonna record a sound. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I created 2 recordings here. Here's the first one. And here's the second one. I am an eyeball. So those are 2 recordings that I want. So now I'll go back to Sprite 1 and I'll go to scripts right here. Then I'll say play sound, and let's say I want I am an eyeball. So I'll click recording 2. And now, when I click this thing right here, I am an eyeball. So now it plays that sound. Pretty awesome. And then, let's say I wanted operators. Or not operators, sensing. So if I am, and now, wait, what? Okay, that's different than what I have learned it on before, but also when this is clicked, we'll say, and we can change the message, let's, no, how about, I am an eyeball for 2 seconds, okay? So now when I click this, it'll say, I am an eyeball. And for 2 seconds. So let's say I wanted to extend that. Now I'll just put 5 there, and now it'll have it longer. I am an eyeball. And now it'll have 5 seconds there. So that's pretty cool. That's the basics there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click stage. And we're going to have, on stage, we're going to say, or not motion, sorry, keep it at looks. And then we're going to say, here, just a sec. Alright guys, so I figured it out. All you have to do is click the backgrounds tab right here. You click that, and it will say background 1. Let's say you wanted to rename it. I'll name it Eyeballs Are Cool. Eyeballs are cool. There we go. Now we're going to click the edit thing right here. This will come up, and that's all of our things. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this line tool, and we're going to have black on it. Then we're going to just do it across like so, and straighten it out until like that. And so now it's straightened out. We're going to take the fill bucket tool. We're going to create, we're going to have green. We're going to put it there, and oops, I have this little space right here. So now what I have to do is I have to get this line tool again. I have to get the black. I have to get the black, and I have to overlap that so the green can't escape. And now I'm going to take the blue color and fill it in like this. You can also make it red if your thing is trying to be the nether or something like that. And now what you're gonna do is, let's say you wanted to get your character to move. Whoops! Take the black, and you want to get your character to move from here to a little block that you create up here. And I can create some text that will be white and drag it over here, and then it'll say, come here. And I can, oops, and I can drag that and put it right here. I'll put it a little bit smaller so it fits inside of the box. So now it says come here inside the box. So now we say okay, and the background is come here. So we're gonna drag our guy down here and select him again by clicking sprite 1 right here. So now we have our things here again, and what we're gonna say is, let's say when this is pressed, it's gonna have the eyeball sound and stuff, but let's say motion, and then we're gonna say go to X and then Y. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag our mouse cursor just a little bit up from the block, so about here, and I'm gonna, and X 91 and then Y 148. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write that down here. So X 91 and then Y is 147. And so now I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna say, oh, my X was 91. And then I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna create this, and it's gonna be 147. And now, when this is clicked, I am an eyeball. And then you can go and move around like that. So yeah, guys, hope you have enjoyed. That's practically the basics of Scratch. It's a pretty nice little thing for programming if you're really new at it. So yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. I definitely have. It's been fun creating this little eyeball game. If I can, I'll create a download link in the description or in a future video for a Scratch game. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye!